use 3 spoonfuls of baking soda in here.
Okay.
The ingredients of baking soda are like
You tell me.
the sodium, hydrogen carbonate, NaHCl3 are the ingredients.
Step 2. Add a few drops of red food coloring to the baking soda. Mix together.
Here, you hold this. And I want you to make it so when you hold it, you put it right over where the blue is on the one you're on. So the blue needs to be a number 2.
Blue.
Look at the number 2 and make sure the blue picture's right on it so it'll start doing it.
Okay.
Pull it up further. Like this. You got it. Watch, it's going to do something.
Step 2. Add a few drops of red food coloring to the baking soda. Mix together.
Wow. And then watch this, Usher.
Okay,
Step
ready?
3.
Step 3 is to...
Step 3. Pour the vinegar into the center of the volcano.
Whoa.
What happens?
Can you see it happening on the screen?
Yeah.
But it didn't happen on the book, huh? All right, let's go ahead and test this theory out.
On the book, it just shows orange.
Yes, an orange is red because you have baking soda. And baking soda is what color?
Yeah, let's see it in real life.
Okay, so baking soda in real life is what color?
White.
White. So if we do white and red, what color do you think is it going to change to?
White and red makes the color red.
Okay, here's your red food coloring. We're going to be very careful. You are old enough for this, so you're going to do a few drops into the volcano's baking soda as part of step 2. A few drops.
It's not dropping.
You got to squeeze it with your fingers.
With my pincher fingers?
Yes, pinch your fingers on the baking soda. Pinch. Use both hands if you need to. Oh, you almost had it. Yep, squeeze.
Yes.
Oh, you got it in there
How
again.
much drop?
How about you just do 2?
I'd like to do 4.
Okay, well then just squeeze it. So you got to get it really good right here in the middle. Oh, okay.
That's enough for me.
Good job squeezing it. You were so strong.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get
Oh,
your...
look, we made a broken heart.
We did a broken heart. All right, so step 3 said to do what? What is it saying again?
Step 3.
Pour the vinegar.
into the center of the volcano.
Vinegar.
What happens?
Okay, let's do the vinegar and find out what happens here.
Where is the vinegar?
So cool. The book is literally showing it. All right, hold on. Let's get the vinegar. There's a lot of different stuff here, sir. All right, so vinegar time.
What happens if a super volcano erupted today?
Guess we'll
A
find
super
out.
volcano.
Is that what it says? It looks like it talks about that right there. All right, here is your vinegar.
Here's our vinegar. And ready. Oh!
Wow. All right. Now that we did that experiment and saw it with our own eyes, let's see what Bill Nye has to say about it and how it works.
This has 11 milliliters left in that cup.
Okay. So we're going to put on the goggles so you can see. I won't be able to see what you're seeing, but you will. And then we can clean it up.
We say a volcano is active if it has erupted in the last 10,000 years. Today, around the world, there are over 1,500 active volcanoes. When a volcano erupts, hot liquid rock called magma from deep inside the earth is pushed to the surface. Once it's up here, we call it lava. Along with lava, eruptions release many gases into the atmosphere, including sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and regular old carbon dioxide and water vapor.
Wow.
Remove bottles.
All right.
Hi.
What did you just see?
I have a VR where I could see Bill Nye.
You got to see Bill Nye?
Yeah.
And we were learning about how volcanoes work?
Yeah.
Did he take you to a volcano?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. All right, should we continue with our science
I saw a
experiment?
volcano. What it looks like really.
Okay, all right then. Hold on a second while we proceed to go forward.
And a pin to find north. In this experiment, we'll learn about Earth's magnetic field and make a compass that points north. Take a look at step 1 to begin.
Okay, go ahead and put it over step 1. Make it so the blue is over the step 1, and we can see what happens.
It's reading it.
Step 1. Carefully hold the ball of the pin. Use the magnet to rub the point of the pin in one direction.
Okay, so here is the pin, and here's the magnet. Hold this. Put down your phone. And then what we'll do is we'll rub it in one direction, right?
Yeah. We'll rub it in one direction, Dada.
Oh. And what happens? It's pointing north, Usher. Look, memory trick. Which way is north?
That way?
Yeah, which way is it pointing?
That way.
Yeah, it's pointing that way. That's north.
What happens when you change the direction? I used a paper clips as a magnet. Would it stick?
So we're going to see if we can make a weak magnet?
With magnet?
Okay, well then let's get started. Step 1 is you have to have something with metal. We have our scissors. You have a paper clip. Rub it on the magnet and let's see if we can make a weak magnet.
We rub it like this.
Against the magnet. All right, now grab your scissors
Scissors.
and see. Now let go of the paper clip. Drop the paper clip right here. Let me see it. Okay, drop it. Now try to get your scissors and see if you can pick up the paper clip. You made it!
Look at that.
Woo! You created a weak magnet.
That's what a weak magnet is called.
Yeah, because it wasn't magnetized until you did that.
I'm going to teach you about a lot of science.
Let's take a closer look at how magnetism works. Earth has a huge magnetic field, which is strongest at the north and south poles. The needle in a compass is a magnet too, that is attracted to Earth's magnetic poles. In this experiment, you magnetized a pin. Test it. Try touching the pin to a paperclip. You'll see you have created a small magnet. When you float the pin on water, it's free to spin and align with Earth's magnetic field. Your homemade compass points north.
All right.